Now I'd like to take you through a specific example from a company I've helped, clarifying how do you prove and document the value of a specific PMO activity. This specific PMO activity is their project model, their stage gate model, and the PMO is responsible for handling, developing and overseeing a number of projects according to their stage gate model. So the stakeholder, the main stakeholder of that project model is the development director. The development director has a problem. He wants to create an effect, which means that his time to market, the project life cycle is cut down because they have experienced a too long time to market. Their competitors have entered the market faster than they have. So he's got a problem, and you as a PMO, now you need to help him. You need to help him clarify how can you cut down the time to market. So the effect that he wants is a shorter time to market. What is it that you're going to deliver as a PMO? What are the activities that you will deliver facilitating that effect? And how would you actually measure whether the time to market has been cut down? Well, what you will deliver will of course depend on the cause. What is the root cause of the longer time to market? Is it because the company is weak at taking decisions? Is it because the project managers and the project teams do not really use and follow this model? Is it because the model has grown bigger, the level of templates and document has increased over the years, and in reality the project model needs to be simplified? You need to do a check and clarify whether the process of going through the gate model can actually be optimized. So there may be a number of causes leading to a longer time to market. You need to find that root cause, and once you have that, it'll be quite easy to clarify what is it that you're going to do. Are you going to train your colleagues in the model? Are you going to do steering committee training? Are you going to cut down on the level of documentation, the number of documents that needs to be completed at each steering committee meeting? These are some of the things that you may need to deliver as part of your PMO activity. And then, how are you going to measure the effect of your activities? How will you clarify whether you are now cutting down the time? Well, of course, you need to measure the time from start to finish. You need to measure the time between gates. It may turn out that the real problem is between gate 3 and gate 4, that it takes a significant longer time during this period than other parts of the gate model. You need to really dig into the data of the progress of the projects. And once you have that data, once you have collected the data, and when you see time periods going down, the time to market is now decreasing, then you have a really strong point. Then you can really prove for your important stakeholders that you have facilitated a shorter time to market. This is just one example. You can do this for all of your PMO activities. If I've awakened your curiosity working with PMO activities and defining how to measure the effect, and if you want me to assist you, I will be happy to run workshops with your company, as I've done with more than 50 other companies, helping them developing their PMO and clarifying how does the PMO in reality create a significant business effect. I'll be looking forward to continue the conversation with you. Bye.